making their mark on the global fashion stage. Each brings their unique cultural perspective and design sensibility, resulting in a diverse and vibrant fashion landscape. Continuing the exploration of outstanding and impressive fashion collections by Asian designers, it is important to highlight the diverse range of styles and cultural influences that these designers bring to the global fashion stage. One designer who has garnered attention for her exquisite craftsmanship and celebration of traditional Indian textiles is Anita Dongri. Known for her vibrant and intricate designs, Dongri seamlessly blends traditional Indian aesthetics with modern silhouettes, creating collections that are both timeless and contemporary. Her work showcases the richness of Indian culture, with hand-embroidered motifs, luxurious fabrics, and a commitment to sustainable and ethical practices. Dongri's collections have not only made waves in India but have also gained international recognition, dressing celebrities and becoming sought after by fashion enthusiasts around the world. Moving to the Middle East, we find the distinct and opulent designs of Elie Saab. Hailing from Lebanon, Saab has become synonymous with red carpet glamour and breathtaking haute couture creations. His designs feature exquisite beadwork, intricate lace, and flowing silhouettes, capturing the essence of femininity and grace. Saab's ability to combine the traditions of the Middle East with a modern sensibility has earned him a global clientele, with his gowns adorning Hollywood stars at prestigious events like the Academy Awards. In South Korea, designer Young-wook Jun, the creative force behind the brand Juan.J, has made a name for himself with his avant-garde and sculptural designs. Jun's collections often challenge conventional silhouettes, blurring the lines between menswear and womenswear. His designs feature oversized proportions, deconstructed tailoring, and unexpected fabric combinations, creating a visually striking and thought-provoking aesthetic. Jun's ability to push boundaries and experiment with shape and volume has garnered him international recognition and a dedicated following. Turning to Thailand, we find the intricate and ethereal designs of Takun Panichkul. Drawing inspiration from his Thai heritage, Panichkul's collections often feature delicate prints, flowing silhouettes, and a sense of romanticism. His designs effortlessly blend Eastern and Western influences, creating a harmonious fusion of cultural aesthetics. Panichkul's ability to create wearable, feminine pieces with a touch of whimsy has made him a favorite among fashion lovers seeking a balance of comfort and style. In Japan, designer Tadashi Shoji has become renowned for his mastery of evening wear and red carpet gowns. His designs celebrate the female form with expert draping, intricate lacework, and impeccable tailoring. Shoji's collections embody elegance, sophistication, and a sense of timeless beauty. With a commitment to inclusivity, his designs cater to a diverse range of body types, empowering women to feel confident and glamorous. The influence of Asian designers extends beyond their individual collections. Asian fashion weeks and events, such as Seoul Fashion Week and Tokyo Fashion Week, provide platforms for emerging designers to showcase their talent and creativity. These events showcase a diverse range of styles, from avant-garde experimentalism to minimalist sophistication, reflecting the breadth and depth of Asian fashion. Continuing the exploration of remarkable and impressive fashion collections by Asian designers, it is evident that their contributions to the global fashion industry extend beyond their individual aesthetics and cultural influences. These designers have successfully showcased their innovation, craftsmanship, and ability to create unique narratives through their collections, capturing the attention of fashion enthusiasts.